Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error message where it says that you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point where unmovable files are located. So if you are trying to shrink one of your disk on your computer and it's basically not letting you to shrink it to anything over a few thousand megabytes, then what you need to do to fix this is just close out of here for a second and just close out this and head over to search bar and search for command prompt and click on run as administrator, and then type here power cfg dot exe space slash hypernet space off. So here you can see, just hit enter and then close this, and then head over to your start menu and search for advanced settings, system settings, click on it, and then click on settings under performance, and then click on advanced, and here you can see the virtual memory. Just click on change, and here just uncheck this automatically manage paging files, and then here no paging files, click on this and then click on set and then hit on OK and just click on it. Once you have done this, that you can just press OK, and as you can see it will require you to restart your computer before these changes are made, but for now let's just press OK and press apply. After that, head over to your system protection tab and click on your C drive and just click on config. Under this, make sure you have checked this disable system protection and then click on apply and then OK, and just click everything OK. And now you have to restart your computer and it will show you the space you want. That's it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.